Assalamualaikum to all teachers and friends. Today, I'm going to share an inspiring storybook titled Prophet Musa and the Red Sea by Alif and Sophia, My Prophet series. This book was written by Noor Azlin Japa and Noor Azila Arifin. It was published in 2021 by Amoni Gold Senior Berhad. Imagine this. You are standing in front of a huge sea and powerful army chasing you. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. What will you do? This is what exactly happened to Prophet Musa and his people. Prophet Musa was chosen by Allah to guide his people from a cruel and powerful pharaoh named Fir'aun. Fir'aun was an arrogant man. He treated people unfairly, but Prophet Musa stood bravely against him. One day, Prophet Musa led his people to escape, but suddenly they reached the Red Sea. They were trapped. Fir'aun and his army were getting closer and closer. The people thought they would be caught, but Prophet Musa did not panic. Instead, Allah commanded him to strike the sea with his staff, and then something incredible happened. The sea split into two. Prophet Musa and his people walked safely across, but when Fir'aun tried to follow, the sea closed back, and he was defeated. Why I like this book? I really like this book because it is very exciting and full of suspense. The illustrations are colorful, making it easy to understand. The characters, especially Prophet Musa, show strong courage and belief. Even though it's a children's book, it teaches deep and valuable meanings such as trust in Allah. Even when the situation looks impossible, Allah can help. Second, be brave and patient. Prophet Musa never gave up, even when danger was near. Good will always win. Evil and injustice will never last forever. In conclusion, Prophet Musa and the Red Sea is not just a story, it's a story of faith, courage, and miracles. It reminds us of how big our problems are. Allah is always greater. So next time you face a difficulty, remember Prophet Musa and the Red Sea, because sometimes where there seems to be no way, Allah will make a way. Thank you.